Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is percentage part 2. So if you haven't watched my part 1 video, please do watch my part 1 video. I will post that link in description and then come to this part 2 video. Okay, in this the first question it is given as if 50% of A minus B is equal to 30% of A plus B, then what percent of A is B? So given 50% of A minus B is equal to 30% of A plus B. We know whenever we have seen the percent symbol, we will divide it by 100 to A minus B is equal to 30 by 100 to A plus B. So 100 will be cancelled. This 0 is cancelled. 5A minus 5B is equal to 3A plus 3B. So 5A minus 3A is equal to 5B plus 3B. So 2A is equal to 8B. So 4 times. A is equal to 4B. So let this be equation 1. So they are asking what percent of A is B. Let X percent of A is B. We don't know what percent, so we took it as X. So percent by 100 into A is equal to B. X is equal to 100 into B by A. So from equation 1, we know that A is equal to 4B. So from equation 1, we know that A is equal to 4B. So substitute A equal to 4B here. X is equal to 100 into B by 4B. So X is equal to 25. So X is equal to 25%. So they have asked it, then what percent of A is B? That is 25%. Okay. So in the second question it is given as if A's salary is 20% less than B's salary, by how much percent B's salary is more than A? So B's salary, B is more than A, they are asking. That will be B minus A. So they have given if A's salary is 20% less than B. So A is equal to B minus 20% of B. Because A's salary is 20% less than B, so B minus 20% of B, that is equal to B minus percent means divide by 100 by B. That is equal to 100B minus 20B by 100. So that is 80B by 100. That is A. So B is equal to 100A by 80. Let it be equation 2 and B minus A be equation 1. So substitute equation 2 in 1. So B is more by, that is equal to B minus A. So we already know B is equal to 100A by 80. So 100A by 80 minus A. So take 80 as LCM. 100A minus 180 is 80A. 80A by 80. So 21s and 24s we got A by 4. So this we got a fraction, but they are asking by how much percent B salary. So they are asking percent. So to convert fraction into percent, we will multiply it by 100. That is equal to A by 4 into 100%. That is equal to 425. So 25%. If A salary is 20% less than B, then B salary is more than A means we got it as 25%. Okay. So for the same question, we can also solve it by formula method. means we can directly use one formula. There is one formula like if A is R% less than B, then B is more than A by R% by 100 minus R% into 100. So in this question they have given if A salary is 20% less than me, so R is 20%, that is 20% by 100 minus 20% into 100, that is equal to 20 by 80 into 100. So 2 ones and 2 fours, 4 ones and 4 25s, that is equal to 25%. So they have asked by how much percent B salary is more than A, that is 25%. We can either use our previous method or we can use formula method. Whatever is comfortable for you, use that method. Okay. So in this third question is given as if A's salary is 1/3% more than B, then how much percent B's salary is less than A? So they are asking how much percent B's salary is less than A. So B is less than A. A means they are asking A minus B. So they have given if A's salary is 1/3% more than B. So A's salary is B plus 1/3% B. That is equal to B plus 33 is 99 plus 100. 100 by 3% B. That is equal to B plus percent means we have to divide it by 100 to 1 by 100 into B. That is equal to B plus B by 3. That is equal to 3B plus B by 3. So A is equal to 4B by 3. So we got A is equal to 4B by 3. So B is equal to 3A by 4. So let it be equation 2 and this be equation 1. So in equation 1 we got it as E is less than A is equal to A minus B. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1, that is B means 3A by 4, A minus 3A by 4, that is equal to 4A minus 3A by 4. So that is A by 4, but they are asked percent, means to convert fraction into percent we have to multiply it by 100. That is equal to A by 4 into 100%. That is 25% of A. So if A's salary is 1/3% more than B, then B's salary is 25% less than A. So we can solve the same question by using formula also. So if A is R% more than B, then B is less than A by R% by 100 plus R% into 100. So in this question it is given as A's salary is 1/3% more than B. So R is 1/3, and they are asking us to find how much percent B's salary is less than A. So we can directly apply this formula. So R is 1/3 means 100 by 3 by 100 plus 100 by 3 into 100. So 100 by 3. So take 3 as LCM. 300 plus 100. 400 by 3 into 100. So 3 will get cancelled. So 100 by 400. That is 1 by 4 into 100. 4 25 times. That is equal to 25%. So you can either use this formula method or you can proceed by the previous method. Okay. So in this fourth question it is given as Ankit's salary was decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50%, and how much percent does he lose? Let original salary of Ankit be 100 rupees. Now the new salary will be, let us consider first salary is 100%. So Ankit's salary was decreased by 50%. So 50% of original salary, that is 100. and then subsequently increase it by 50%. Means 100 plus 50, 150. How much percent does he lose? So 150% means by 100 into 50% means 50 by 100 into 100. 5 2s and 5 3s. 2, that is 3 into 25. That is equal to new salary is 75 rupees. They are asking how much percent does he lose. So percentage lost is equal to new minus original by original into 100. So new salary is 75 minus original salary is 100 by 100 into 100. So 75 minus 100 minus 25 bar. 100 will be cancelled. So minus 25%. So we got this minus because he lost. So this minus indicates he lost. That is 25%. So I will discuss more problems related to percentage in upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.